Hi, my name is Simon. I work at Encore. Encore is a backend platform that, among other things, does declarative cloud infrastructure provisioning, meaning that Encore understands your backend code and provisions the cloud resources that your app needs without you having to set everything up. And today we made it possible for you to tweak and configure values that Encore sets on your cloud resources based on your needs and preferences. This has been a requested feature and we're really excited about it. So let me show you how it works. So here is my overview page for my Encore app. Here you can see the architectural diagram, but you can also see sort of an overview of my infrastructure. So for this app, we have one cron job, one database cluster, 5 pub subtopics for subscriptions on those topics, and one compute instance. But if we look over here, we have 3 environments for this app. The AWS one, which is deployed to Amazon Web Services, the Encore Cloud one, which I will be talking about soon, and also the GCP one, which is deployed to Google Cloud. So Encore is a freemium product, meaning that you can get up and started for free for example hobby projects. And if you do that, we deploy your app to Encore Cloud. But it's also possible to connect your own clouds to Encore, and then we will provision and set everything up in those clouds. And that's what we have done for this app, both for Amazon and for GCP. But let's go into the infrastructure page for each of these environments. So if we start with AWS, you can see here that we have 2 Fargate task definitions. And what we introduced today is this little cogwheel, which makes it possible to tweak the value. So here, for example, you can see that we have 0.25 CPUs, some memory, and an instance count. But now it's possible to actually change these values. So I changed this to 1, and then I'm requested to update this value as well. So let's do that. Save it. And now you can see that we have some pending infra changes that will take effect on the next deploy. So here you can see that, okay, we changed it from 0.25 to 1, and this value as well. What do we have more? We have database cluster, a database server with 1 database, and those values are also configurable. Here we can see the topics together with the subscriptions for those topics, and our Redis cluster as well, which is also configurable. And if we take a look at the GCP one, you can see that it looks similar, but not quite the same. So we have a Cloud Run instance instead of the Fargate task definitions. And here you can see the SQL database server and the Redis cluster. And that's it. We are really excited about it. I hope you are as well. I hope you try it out. And we have big plans going forward as well. We will be expanding on this page. So stay tuned for more updates.